A sink P-trap is a crucial component of your plumbing system, designed to prevent sewer gases from entering your home. It is a curved section of pipe located beneath the sink. When water flows down the drain, it fills the P-trap, creating a seal. This seal blocks harmful gases from escaping into your living space. The P-trap also serves another important function. It captures debris and prevents it from clogging the plumbing further down the line. Over time, this can help reduce the likelihood of more significant blockages, making your plumbing system more efficient. If the P-trap becomes dry due to infrequent use of the sink, the seal can break, allowing gases to escape. This is why it's essential to run water in seldom used sinks regularly. Not only does the P-trap protect your home from unpleasant odors, but it also plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy plumbing system. In summary, the P-trap is important for both health and plumbing efficiency. By understanding how it works and ensuring it remains functional, you can help keep your home safe and your plumbing system in good working order.